I have been watching the YouTube videos of the newly released Arrma Granite BLX 4x4 3S new version 3. I wondered if I could convert my older version 1 Granite to look like the new version 3. So I ordered a set of the new taller body mounts from the new Granite version 3. I removed my older stock version 1 body mounts from my Granite 1 and found that the new Granite version 3 body mounts fit perfect in all ways into my Granite version 1 chassis. They were just taller in height. The two new body mounts arrive with one taller and one shorter. The taller mount is for the front of the vehicle mounting holes. The photos show the comparison of the original version 1 and version 3 height body mounts installed. The older version 1 body shell did fit perfect on the new version 3 body mounts installed on my Granite version 1. So I could use my older orange body nicely on the new mounts. I just bought a new Granite V3 Mega version 3 body shell color red with white and now use it on my older Granite version 1 RC monster truck chassis with the new V3 body mounts installed. I now know all the new Granite V3 body shells will fit on my older Granite version 1 with the new version 3 body mounts installed on my Granite version 1. See product links in below description. Thanks for watching.